Okay, pasensya na pa. We're about to start right now. Okay, first team now to go inside is Qatar Sublimation. Qatar Sublimation clad in black multicolor po sila. That's Qatar Sublimation po. Headed by, yung kanang reckon nilang yung kanang pinaka-team captain po, along with their muse. Okay, mag-around muna po, isa muna. Okay, yan po yung kanang muse team po. Iowa Nation, Qatar Sublimation po yan. Okay, yan po sila. Ating better na. Anong team? Cebu. Okay, that's Cebu. Yan po si coach, si chef po yan. Si chef, team po pala chef po ito. Cebu Masters. Clad in aquamarine po sila. Yan, Cebu Masters po yan, headed by chef. At yung kanilang muse po. Also, nandiyo pala si Lakay. Si Lakay Calvo, si Mark. Yan po ang Cebu Masters. Yan. Good evening po sila po. Ako sa RBG Vlog. So you're watching right now the opening ceremonies of the PSBQ Basketball League. New blood, new game, new battles po tayo ngayon. Yan. Okay, next team now is to enter now to the stage is Oryx team. Headed by Melvin at yung kanyang pinaka-muse po. Along with the team like Salud, stalwarts like Salud, and many more. Yan po yan. Team ni Melvin, Romel. Yan. Iniwan nyo, no? Okay, yan po yung kanilang Okay, talagang palaban, no? Yun. Palaban. Palaban ang news po ng Team Oryx. Parang Oryx talaga, lumalaban. Okay. Yan po ang team po nila Melvin. Oryx team po yan. Oryx basketball team now is in. Next po is to enter into the fray is team. Let's go, Melvin. Okay, Sphinx, Noob Sphinx. Yan, sila Olep, Duran number 2. Yan po ang kanilang team po, Noob Sphinx. Clad po yan in dark blue. Dark green and aquamarine combination po ang nila. Yan, sila Perez. Ba't? Ngayon ko lang nakita si Duran, nag-ibang nag-double digit Usual, 1 and 2 lang yun May nakaya ba si Duran, kaya gano'n ang sinot niya? Di ba 1 and 2 lang dapat yan? Okay, yan po. Noob Sphinx naman po pumasok ngayon. No, iba. Door number 2 yata to. Ano na kayo ni Duran? Ba't lalang patag number 23? Next team now is, of course, Ayesh and Friends. Yan, white and orange combination po tayo along with the stakeholder po. And of course, yung kanilang kapita-pitaka muse po. And also, yung kanilang mga players. Along with, of course, si Mr. Bulawan. Nandyan din pala sa kanilang team. Ayesh and Friends. Okay? Okay, yan po sila. Ayesh and Friends po. Welcome up. You're watching it. If you're those who tuned right now, you're watching right now the games. The opening ceremony surrender of the PSBQ Basketball League. New blood, new game, and new battles po tayo dito. These are the teams that we dako in the name of basketball. Live po tayo dito right now sa Furling Season International School in Doha. Thank you po for sa mga nag-heart po sa ating ngayon. As of now, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams already in the fray. Yan. Ito po sila. Yan po ha. Yan po sila po yan ha. Yan. At of course, the familiar face po, the Janas Gourmet Masters. Ayan. Janas team. Yung kanilang mga malalakas, of course, nandito po sila Velasco, si Joni, si Hans, si Aaron, and company po yan. Sama na natin si Winax. Oh! Okay, yan po yung kanilang talagang tulong-tulong talaga sila. Tatlo silang news pala ang Janas Gourmet. That's Janas Gourmet, clad in green naman po tayo. Green. Sabi rito, watch out! Logi sana kayo makasala naman dyan. Kahit taga-appear lang. Si Giancarlo Di Makulangan. Go Janas Gourmet. And of course, marami na pong nanonood po right now. And the last team now to join to the fray is, of course, Team Alforno Basketball Team. That's Alforno Basketball Team po tayo. This is the team now who's competing at the leagues like PSBQ, and not PSBQ, no, of course, P-Back Basketball League po. Yan po ang Alforno Basketball Team. Jovan sa Arique, good morning, good evening, good night po sa inyo World of Hope Live right now sa the Furling Season International School in Doha. And you're watching right now the opening ceremonies po ng ating PSBQ Basketball League. New blood, new game, new battles po tayo. Ayan na po sila, Team Alforno. Yan po yan, Team Alforno po, yan. Team Alforno, that's a 17 po. And now, this completes now all teams now sa ating ligang ito. Yan. Okay, that completes now the teams now, participating teams po. Sige po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Corbin. Let us all remain standing.
Okay, ito po yung teams po. That you see right now, that is Qatar Sublimation I1 Nation. Nag-collab na po sila. Of course, yan po ang Cebu Masters. Yan po. And of course, ano muna po tayo? Qatar National Anthem first. Balaman, sinibat, bumam, siniyero. Sibat, sumat, sumero. Balaman, sinibat, 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 oh, brilliant. That is the national anthem of Qatar, followed now by the Philippine national anthem. Silanganan, alab na puso, sa libo'y buhay, lupang inirang ko'y kalang magiting sa manduluping, di ka pasisil sa bawat bundok sisipin. Sa langit puntukaw, may dinilat tulang at awit sa pagmay minamahal. Ang bisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdiningin. Ang bituin at araw na kailang pa may magdidilim. Lupa na na araw ng walhati pagsinta, langit sa piling mo. Ligaya ng bagay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Okay, now you're watching. Okay, those who's watching right now, you're now watching the opening ceremonies of the PSBQ Basketball League. New blood, new game, and new battles po tayo ngayon. Future teams, of course, dito naman po is Qatar Sublimation I1 Nation po yan, followed by Cebu Masters po ito eh. Cebu Masters, of course, Oryx team. Then Noob Spinks, Ayesha Nation, o Ayesha and Friends, Janas Gomay, and of course, huli po is Alforno team po yan. Yan po ang participating teams po natin po ng PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming sana po right now. Those who's watching right now, welcome po sa po. And maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ko for the continuing pagtangkilik po sa PSBQ Basketball League. Saigon. Tuk-tuk Saigon. Or tip-toe kicks po yan. Noob Sphinx. O tip-toe kicks po yan. Yan. Oryx basketball team. Qatar Sublimation, Iowa Nation po yan. Yan, puti ha. Yung puti po yan. Nagkaroon sila lang ng mga pants din. No? That's Aison Romero. Si Coach Kume Aison po, siya po ang pinakatatay po ng PSPQ Basketball League. Jamer Makatunggal, si Big Mac yata to. Sir Big Mac, kumusta po kayo, sir? Si Mr. Big Mac yan, si Big Mac. Kat Hernandez, nandito rin po tayo. At many more. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po. And of course, thank you pala for continued patronage po pala po sa ating Facebook Basketball League. Of course, yung mga sponsors po natin, po like Cook of Qatar. Of course, Marlica Cargo, yan po yung parang pinaka, ano po natin. Qatar Sublimation, Iowa Nation, McDonald's Qatar, of course, Q Brands, and many more. Q Brands and many. Okay, that's Aison. Tuk-tuk Saigon pala. Tuk-tuk. Road Jana, sabi ni Kabia Khalil Rose. What happens with YouTube? Okay, ito na po. Okay, presenting the muses po ng respective teams. Mga muses na po yan ng mga respective teams po. And also, game, ito na. Are presenting now also the 5 judges naman po that will judges the Muse. Okay, thank you po. Okay, presenting now the Muses. Presented the Muses. Teka lang. O, correction pala po, yung Aquamarine team pala is Tuktuk Saigon team pala, okay? Okay, here na the final teams po, participant teams po. Okay, Qatar Sublimation Iowa Nation, Tuktuk Saigon. Okay, ito po ang news po ng, yan po ang news po ng, ito ang news po ng, ng Qatar Sublimation Iowa Nation team. Yan po yan. Okay, ano po, parang pinapresent po niya. Shout po kay Benson Eliang, isang butis na naman dyan. Sana all, sabi ni Jello Bundok. Just Qatar Sublimation Iowa Nation team. Osmin! Osmin! Come on! Okay, that's... Muslim! Relax! Oh, ito sir, yan o. Ayan siya. Ayan o. Oh, yan po ang amuse po ng Iowa Nation sa Qatar Sublimations. That's Iowa Nation's muse po. Thank you. Okay, that's Iowa Nation's Qatar Sublimation team po yan po. Maraming salamat po. Now, second team po is Tuktuk Saigon team naman po tayo. Yan. Maraming salamat sir. Yan po, mamiss po namin eh. Okay, tara. Ito po siya. This is now Tuktuk Saigon team po yan. Okay, and introducing now the views from Tuktuk Saigon team. ito mapapalaban ako. Okay, Tuktok second team. Now for the talent. Yes, sir. Magpayo, sir. Opening po ito, sir, ng PSB Basketball League po, sir. Okay, that Tuktok second team po. Maraming salamat po. And yan po, ang susunod po, who's next po? Who's next? Who's next? That's Tuktok second team now. Reaching out the views of Oryx basketball team. Okay, now Oryx basketball team news. Tagal, may matutunaw na. Tulog din. Sabog yung ano. There's Sir John Tagres watching. That's Team Oryx po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Team Oryx, for your news. Okay, that's Oryx po. Now, come now is, of course, Tiptoe Kicks po tayo. Oh, isa. Mayroon pa nga effects ha. That's Team Tiptoe Kicks po tayo. Madadali kami. Madadali ng MTRCB. Grabe.
It's good now.
Okay now, Team S and friends. Black and white and orange combination po tayo. Okay, siya tayong pinagbasehan po rito. Bumagsak. Okay, visual, ASM Friends News. Team ASM Friends. Hello pa. Okay. Mike, please. Mike, please. Yun. That's Team ASM Friends. Thank you po. Bumalik na lang siya. Next news po, ayan.
They just walked in.
Ano to, Confederate? Eh, ikaw lang sir eh. Tabu. Battery. Nag-pick tayo, okay. 55. Nag-pick tayo. Lalo ito, yung unang takbo. Nag-pick tayo. Oh, nakatutok sa kanito, nakatutok. Kanina nakatutok siya kada tinutunan.
Hello, test mic. Alright,
Okay, good.
Naririnig ka ba ako ng lahat? Ayan. Just a while ago, we just witnessed ang news ng ASM Friends. And right now, let us all welcome the news from our sixth participating team. Walang iba, kundi ang Janice Gourmet Basketball Team.
Janice Gourmet. Yay! Ayaw niya, nahiga siya. Okay, that's Janice Gourmet.
Jana from Janice Gourmet Basketball Team. And finally,
And
from
finally.
our seventh and blue, let us all welcome the news from Alfredo.
Ma'am Arce Reyes, good luck. Ate Janice Gourmet. Mark Mikel. Ilapit nyo.
My name is Ken San, 30 years of age, representing Team Angkor.
Once again, that was
Okay, Dasal Corner Team po yan.
That was our regional team of Corona. And that completes the list of 7 beautiful ladies joining us tonight. And then later, malalaman natin kung sino nga ba ang magiging best match, sino ba nanalo ng Miss Religion, at kung ano ba po. And we would like to request all the players to please return to your proper spots. Ayan, balik po tayo sa gitna. Okay. Narinig ko po ba tayo ng lahat? Ayan. Nire-request po namin, we would like to request all the players to please return to your proper places dito sa gitna ng ating group. Ayan. And sa ngayon, magpapasalamat lang ulit ako. Again, I am from Sinag Digital Media. And kung hindi pa po kayo familiar kung ano ang Sinag Digital Media, ang Sinag Digital Media po ay biro para makapagbigay ng informative and entertaining content para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino dito sa Macau. And also, we do have a lot of services that we do offer for everyone who is interested in podcasting, in studio productions. We do have those services at kasama na rin siya ng advertising and music and audio recording. So all you have to do, kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa, is to follow us on our social media accounts. Malay nyo, kayo na ang sunod na feature sa Sinag Digital Media. And again, ang handle natin ang Sinag Digital Media is at Sinag DM on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Sino pa ba yung mga friends dito? Palabas na po, lahat meron, di ba? Ayan. Hanapin na po natin at Sinag DM on your social media. And once again, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa amin sa napaka-espesyal na gabi nito. And right now, we would also like to acknowledge, of course, our appreciation to the sponsors, advisors, partners, and all the contributors para sa ating basketball league. And I would like to ask to request the officers of PSBG to join us as we award certificates of appreciation to our sponsors, our judges, and all our partners. Before we do that, I'm sure that a lot of you are excited para sa paparating na concert ni Diesel Monterde kasama si Casey Tandingan. So I would like to request a representative from the organizing, from the event organizing. Please do join us here up front. Can we have someone from the organizing team of the Sarili Nating Mundo live in Qatar? Of course, with DJ Monterde. Mukhang mga sila. Can we request someone from the events organizing team of the concert Sarili Nating Mundo live in Qatar? I believe we have the Prince representing the events organizing team. Good evening, everyone! Good evening, everyone! Handa na ba kayo nakinig papakinggan ang palagi? Okay, guys, meron ba doon for the ticket. And you can buy us your ticket in our channel Instagram. Okay? Don't forget to inquire this time in the entrance door. Thank you.
That's Ivan Nelson.
Alright, once again to everyone who is interested in being mesmerized and to be serenaded by your honor than DJ Hotel and Casey Campino. All you have to do is to buy your tickets dito po sa Brooklyn na kaya doon sa Chamba Restaurant. And right now, we would also like to acknowledge our sponsors, our partners in this event. And I would like to call on the officers of SBE to join me up front in awarding the certificates.
Warning. Teka.
First, we would like to award this certificate of appreciation to all our judges. This certificate of appreciation is signed by presented to our judges in recognition of your valued service as member of the Board of Judges during the second anniversary of the opening of the Pinoy's Club Members Club where parents
So yung pala yung Shanti.
presently rated imports for the Miss Competition of Best Uniform held on the 10th of June 2025. Their time is serving the commitment of holding the
ayos na lang.
standards of excellence, significantly contributing to the success of this event. We extend our sincere appreciation and awards to your participation. During this time of June 2025 at the Training Seasons International School at Missouri, Goret, Latin, signed by the PSUT Head and Commissioner Mr. Ansel Amaya. And this certificate goes to Ms. Sandra Bobes.
Oh, tumitira ka na? Shoot ka na? Na? Okay, Miss Sandra. Plaque of appreciation of the mga sponsors po natin po sa PSBG. Maraming salamat po. First of all, si Miss Sandra po ng Maharlika Cargo.
Hello. Hello. We would also like to award this certificate of appreciation to Mr. Michael Conquista.
Mr. Michael Rombusta, panel of judges.
Our third certificate is awarded to Ms. Shanti Barrientos.
Miss Shanti Barrientos. Yan pa si Shanti. Madam Shanti. Madam Shanti Barrientos. Shanti, Luxury by Shanti.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
This next certificate is awarded to Mr. Juan Sarmiento.
Mr. Sarmiento. Sir Sarmiento. Sir Sarmiento.
Thank you so much, Juan Sarmiento. And right now, this certificate is awarded to the chairman of the board of directors, Ms. Mavi Taberno.
Okay.
The following certificates of appreciation is awarded to our sponsors. In recognition of their genuine support and sponsorship, we proudly present this certificate as a token of our heartfelt appreciation of your contribution played a vital the success of the second anniversary and grand opening of the PSBQ Basketball League Class D Plus affiliated Imports Division held on the 10th of June 2025 at Pearly Seasons International School and the State of the award commitment to John Lansing had been a lasting impact in your support continues to inspire excellence and opportunities side by the PSBQ.
Also, ano pala po? Also, please include also pala po Sinag Digital Media po for making these things possible po pala. Yan. Sinag Digital Media. Aljo Calisis. Sir Aljo, ba't wala ka dito? Busy ba, sir? Calling Sir Aljon. Mark D. Parigos watching. And also thank you pala po sa Sinag Digital Media and company pala po for making this thing possible. Yan. Thank you po.
This certificate is awarded to Q Brands.
Q Brands. Wala.
This next certificate is awarded to Happy Women Beauty Salon and Pearl Beauty Salon. Alright. This next certificate is awarded to Matar Sublimation Sportswear.
Ano, kuya? How about sure? Oh,
This next certificate is awarded to McDonald's Qatar.
McDonald's ito.
Miss Julie.
Or Team McDonald's. Pwede ko pag team, lahat po kayo magpapalagay. Salamat. May McDonald's na kapan. Para po sa ating lahat yan.
McDo. Nasa isang duran pala.
Thank you so much, McDonald's.
Nasa isa? Hindi ko nakita.
Diyan, nasa siya ka sa...
Nandiyan siya? Nandiyan na pala. Ay, gano'n. Ngayon na nakitang yung duran namin, naging duran 23 yan.
Thank you once again, McDonald's Qatar.
Kaya pag duran yata nakikita ko. Siya ba yun? Ay, ba't yung alam ko na yun?
And right now, let us all present this certificate to Luxury by Shanti.
Luxury Shanti certificate also. Appreciation certificate. Hook up. May sapatos na yan, di ba? May sapatos ka, di ba?
This
Sapatos.
certificate is
Yung Jordan
presented
8, ano bang meron? Ba't yung walang, wala mo yung ano? Ba't tinag-register din yun? Jordan 8, yung biyerong magpakita. Ako kata. Bakto. Oh, grabe.
This certificate is presented to Sinag Digital Media.
Sinag Digital Media pa for making this possible also. Sinag Digital Media.
Sinag Digital Media po. Can we have the operations manager of Sinag?
Okay, Sinag Digital Media. Mr. Mark Toledo.
Sinag Digital Media.
Sinag Digital Media for making this also possible. Sir, Ruka, boss. Boss, walang Jordan 8, di kayang makalyo.
Sa US kasi order yun eh.
From Sinag
Jack Malyo, no? Wala kasi puro hanggang Jordan 11. Kasi ba? Tara.
Full force.
Thank you so much, Sinag team.
This next certificate is awarded to Mr. Christopher Otoko for being our official photographer for tonight. Alright, that's the issue. When the photographer one day, nobody will take the photos, right? But this is the appreciation of certificates appreciation for our acclamation. Keep this time. Alright. Hello, gentlemen. Alright. Ito pong susunod set of certificates to be presented to Island Nation, Q Brands, Happy Women Beauty Salon, and Pearl Beauty Salon will be received by Prince. Once again, on behalf of PSBQ, we would like to thank all our sponsors, our judges, and our partners for your time, for your generosity, in being with us tonight.
And of course, dapat yung po ang ating sa mga delivery natin. Kaya basahin pa natin po dito. Ang reading sa round. In grateful of recognition for an outstanding service as a march of celebrities during PSBQ's second anniversary and grand opening of PSBQ Basketball League last week, the still-related imports held on 10th June 2024 at the Pearling Season International Swimming Building. Your professionalism, energy, and eloquence brought warmth and elegance to the occasion, helping to ensure a success contribution, and it is deeply appreciated. Given this awarded June 2025 with the burning season si Flash Guru, Mr. Raymond Carasi. Sir, ito, thank you so much. Yan po si Sir Raymond Carasi. Applause po lang po sa ating painsi po dyan. Maraming salamat po.
Wala na yung ano, hindi gamit yung... Come on.
We would like to request two representatives from sa participating teams. Ito po ang meeting ko. Dalawang representative po sa ang participating teams para sa ating half-court shootout challenge.
Okay, meron po tayong ano rito yung half-court shootout challenge.
Two representatives from each of the participating teams.
Maliguro tayo.
The half-court shootout challenge. And that will be happening.
Okay, meron po tayong habang tinatali po nila ang habang tinatali po ang scores ng ating best news po, magpapalaro muna po tayo ng half-court shootout challenge. Okay, lahat po ng shooters po, two representatives per team. Maraming salamat po. Half-court shootout challenge coming up sa PSBQ Basketball League.
Kompleto na ba? From Team Toe Kicks. Andito na din po ba? Ayan, andito na yun. Alright, kompleto na ang ating mga players. Again, para sa ating half-court shootout challenge. Nagsisimula natin sa Jonathan Main Team.
Aray! Pesarillo. Tapos. Ulit.
Ayan, pagkakatapos na ito, dito sa head.
Sayang. Duran number 2. Offline. Pag-sit. Muntik na. Tapos. Rani yun. Offline. Melvin. Azari. This game would not be possible also with Sinagtala Productions. Maraming salamat po. Any events po, just call their name, they'll be there. Yeah.
Alis na! Congratulations, Mr. Pasa! Alright.
Ah,
Ready na ba ang ating mga
okay.
results?
The results na rin.
So right now, habang nagko-complete pa ang Sinag Digital Media, kasama natin si Phil. Ayan ay nagpapamigay ng vouchers and tatawag ng representatives from the teams pero hindi mga players. Ayan, mga kasama niyo mga nag-cheer. So sino po ba ang gustong mag-join? Ang gagawin na po, magsushoot lang ng mga ito. Kapag ka nakashoot kayo, meron kayong voucher from Applebee's.
Applebee's.
The free throw lang
Chris,
lang naman po.
kailan ba game number 2 pala, pre? Game number 3 na. Kailan ba? Kailan?
Sino pa gusto mag-join? Lima daw yung ipapamigay eh. Sino gusto? Yung hindi naka-uniform.
Game 3 kailan?
Sino pa gusto?
Ay, saan ba? Sa anong team
Lima
na?
ang ipapamigay ng voucher. So, sino na ka na dito?
Okay, sino kalaban nyo?
Kuya, saan na po? Saan?
Bad blood ba? Bad blood na? Bad blood? Hindi, si NBA bro. Si NBA kailan? NBA.
Saan po?
Umaga na naman.
Sir, join us. Sayang yung voucher. Sige. Kay kuya na daw lahat to. Ano? Wala na yung mga sasamahan. Baka pupin ka sa likod. Meron pa mga sasamahan sa inyo. Basketball na magsushoot ng basketball. Pag nakashoot, may voucher from Applebee's. Ayan. Mag-join. Okay. Ito lang isa. Sige. Sir. Sige, player lang yun daw. Kung ano. Basta unang lima yan, ha?
Kasi ibang bola.
Tatlong tries yan. Tatlong tries. Ayan, isa pa.
Oh, yun.
Habang hihingin namin kung sino natin ang makakashoot dyan, I would like to request each and every one, request po ninyo ang telepono. Ilabas po ninyo ang inyong telepono at mag-subscribe, mag-alert sa Sinag Digital Media. Dahil kapag nilapit na po namin tayo, at i-check namin ang inyong mga social media accounts, pwede na namin po kayo nakakuha din ng voucher. Ayan.
Kaluwete. tayo nagbubunatan po sa sino pa maglalaro po sa gabing ito. Well, dato nga po, there's a facility. Kumain na lang kumain. Nagpadala ako.
Sayang.
Pre, nakabunot kayo? Nakabunot kayo? Ha? Kaya siya. Kaya siya? Okay, good. Yes. Hello. Kaya siya.
Alright, kasi eto, may nakashoot ulit na isa. And tigil na muna tayo sa ating pagpapashooter. Ang gagawin ni Pino, a little later, ay mag-input siya. Titignan niya kung inyong social media accounts kung nakasubscribe o nakafollow na kayo sa Sinag Digital Media. At kung nakafollow kayo dyan, o nakalike kayo sa page, syempre mananalo din kayo ng voucher. So again, ang handle ng Sinag Digital Media ay @SinagDM on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Ayan, maglilibot namin sa pinag. Alright. And right now, while we are waiting for the results of our Best in News, Best in Uniform awards, we are going to have a highlight dunk from the team members of Alforno team. Men's basketball team. Alright.
Son, pamasira ring. Just stop it in, Dolly. Last. Piwi, kaya ba? Sayang. Pagya, tapos halikan natin. Alas 9 na? Nag-aantay tayo. We're just straight to the Dunk Festival ng Alforno team. Dunk party po tayo. Dunk party po tayo yan. Dunk party. Woohoo! This Lubos na. Ay. We're just waiting lang po sa i-reveal po yung sino yung panalo na ating best news. Yan, sino yung panalo, inihintay lang po natin. Who's the winner po ng ating best news? Yan, we have to start now. We will have one game for today and it's already been revealed. It will be Ayesha versus, of course, Janice Gourmet. Yan. Magandang laban na po yan. Twelve na. Good morning po sa ipo dyan. We're just waiting now for the culmination of this event. And of course, after this, magpo-post muna po tayo. Then comes after the first game sa ating new season po. This is our second anniversary po ng PSB Basketball League. Second anniversary festivities po for the Ayesha versus Janice Gourmet basketball matchup. Yan. Hintayin po tayo. Okay, ito na. Ito. Dami ito ah.
Team Ayesha Friends. Nagulitan natin tayo kasi hindi pa maglalaro. Tinatawagan po namin si Mr. Tat Rinyo for the overtaking Mr. Tyron. Tyron Isarino, please.
Ayan, request natin all the players to please stay in your proper places. Natural information natin kanina, just a while ago, for our overtaking.
7 data, sir. Coach. Pre. Boss. 7 data. Kuya, same data sa'yo.
Sige po, lahat po ng players, balik po tayo sa gitna.
Nawala eh. Buti bumalik.
Kompleto na ba? Para kumantay na. Naging na ba yun?
Ha?
Sige po, tumingin dito forward sa lahat ng mga players na bumalik na forward. Ayan.
After this po, after we reveal now all the warriors po, we'll now cut this broadcast. Then we'll now start now with the game proper between Ayesha and of course, Janas Gumay. This is now the taking. Haba.
Magandang gabi sa
You have no school, kids? Dapat sa pasok mamaya. Bakasyon na, no? Bakasyon? Kaya pala eh.
I, of team, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the games, that I will respect all rules and decisions of the referees
and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman.
Winax.
Whose
Winax, sino ba yun, pre?
is always
Yun, yung matangkad yun. Sa likod.
I
Yung sa likod, sa Ayesha.
each game is a
Yung,
mental
ha?
test done in a
Oh.
spirit of
Ah.
and true friendship, where we triumph as a consolidated victors or losers, with grace and determined will to win. To all these ideas, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and fidelity. Thank you.
Alright.
Okay.
Now, request ko mag-sing tayo. Kung pwede mas magdikit-dikit so that we can have a group photo.
Tingnan na po tayo.
Group photo po. Lahat ng mga players muna. Take it all. Request ko natin pati mga supporters sumali.
Group picture po tayo.
Group picture po muna.
Group photo po. Ready rin po sa mga supporters.
Sama na kayo po yung mga supporters. Pero yung mga sa harapan po, upito po kayo.
Yung nasa unak po, upo na po po. Sa unahan niya. Compress po tayo para abutin ang camera. Yan. Kahit ang natikit-tikit na tayo. Yan.
Alright, sama na daw po, pati mga news. Mga supporters, mga supporters. Sama na po tayong lahat. Tara, sama tayong lahat. Alright.
Okay.
Dito tayo. At lahat po ng mga nandito sa po tayo.
Compress, compress, compress. Compress po, compress.
Tapos, meron lang po akong isang maliit na request. I have a very small favor to ask sa ating lahat na nandito. Kasi po kami sa Cine Digital Media, meron po kaming tagline. Ang tagline is, We Shine Brighter Together.
We shine brighter together.
So, sasabihin ko dito sa Cine Digital Media, tas sabay-sabay tayo, we shine brighter together. Alright, practice muna. Practice muna. Dito sa Cine Digital Media,
Okay.
We shine brighter
Together.
alright, isa pa. Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa. Dito sa Cine Digital Media,
We shall brighter together. Yay!
maraming salamat po.
Thank you, bro. No problem, bro. No problem, bro.
Okay. Bago po yung mananalo na mga muses natin,
Ito na, awarding na po.
Alright, and right now, I believe we are about to announce kung sino nga ba ang mga winners natin. Saglit na saglit na lang daw.
ayan na. Sino kaya ang mananalo sa ating mga magagandang mga muses?
Yung news mo.
Yung kahit gabi-gabi na, no, pero maganda pa din.
Mami,
Kahit
gusto mo.
umiyak ka, talaga maganda pa rin.
Buhay pa rin ang mga tikilin natin sa mga magagandang mga muses natin.
They're calling out the news.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Calling out the news.
Ayan na.
Again. Ayan,
I
okay na,
think
okay
we'd
na.
like to call on our judges as well. Ding, 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 ding. For the awarding of the certificates and the prizes as well.
Okay. Announcing now all the winners for the best news category ng ating Best BQ Basketball League.
Sa gitna lang po yung mga miss natin kasi we are just about to announce our winners, lahat po ng mga Muse.
Okay, all views is now gathering at the middle.
Practice pa ito ngayon.
Practice lang.
Wala yung Muse ng Alporno.
Konting hero na naman dyan, galit sa mga team. Andito pa ba? Napataas ang donation. Sponsor and nomination. Parang uyat na. Nandito pa ba? Ang Giannis Gourmet Basketball Team.
Palakpakan na dyan.
How about ang Ayesha and Friends? Ayan, gising na gising pa.
Yay!
How about ang Tiptoe Kicks? Tok-tok Saigon! Ayan. Ang Oryx Basketball Team. Ayan, parang pahina ng pahina. How about ang Alforno? Ayan, gising na gising pa. So right now, we
Okay.
would like to present certificates of participation sa ating lahat ng mga
Start.
binibini.
I-declare na
Ang ating mga
ISON.
news. So, this certificate of appreciation is presented to our news for her exceptional participation in the best news competition representing their respective teams during the PSBQ second anniversary and grand opening of the PSBQ Basketball League Class E Plus 3 rated esports division held on June 10, 2025 at Berlin Seasons International School, Al Mansura, Doha, Qatar. Your grace, confidence, and admirable stage presence made a lasting impression, and we honor your journey and celebrate your contribution to the spirit of this prestigious event. Given this 10th of June 2025 at the Berlin Seasons International School, Al Mansura, Doha, Qatar, signed by PSBQ Head and Founder Mr. Ison Romero. This certificate is awarded to Ms. Gianna Rian Nuki Santos.
Hey! Hello.
The next certificate is awarded to Ms. Charlene Grace Polo. The next certificate is presented to Ms. Giselle Bayabay.
Mayabang the chair.
The next certificate is presented to Ms. Lorraine Azus Bania.
Lorraine.
This certificate is presented to Ms. Jen Tamayo. This certificate is presented to Ms. Joanne Mendoza. Or si Juju. And finally, this certificate is presented to Miss Candy Lapisa. Miss Candy. Alright, thank you so much to all our beautiful ladies. And at this point, we would like to award the winners.
Okay, ito na. Now, to reveal now the best news and other festivities.
We will start off with the Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic Award! And the Miss Photogenic will be receiving a cash prize and some prizes courtesy of our sponsors. And we would like to request our panel of judges to please join us here up front para ma-award ang ating mga winners. Our judges, sige po natin tayo dito. Si Mandy.
Okay, Miss Photogenic Award goes to Maninang.
Alright. So are we ready to announce our Miss Photogenic will be receiving a cash prize as well as some gifts from our sponsor. The Miss Photogenic is no other than Miss Zara Gina Rinan Santos. Congratulations, Rihanna.
Siya pala namesake ng Jana's Gourmet. Siya pala namesake ng Jana's Gourmet. Ha? Oh. Ay, bumagsak. Yes. Okay. Bumagsak ang Facebook. Okay. Ano? Hiro, balak mo na dito. Ayusin ko yun, ayusin ko lang. Wala.
Some gifts and of course some vouchers or certificates from our sponsors kasama na dyan Marito Barco. And our next winner is for the People's Choice Award. Ang People's Choice
Shout out,
Award natin,
Robert
pinakamarami
Carinogan.
sa social media.
Thank you for watching, Hubert. This is Starbucks Vlogs.
Is no other than
Nag-ayos si Arvin sa
Laika Lapisa.
poster, ano? Hoy, Team Californo. Ang ulo ni Aisa nakikita.
Here's your award.
Ayun po yung mga audience natin guys. Ang dami pa nila. Oh.
Alright. Our next winner is
Ay, Madam Sublimation. And Iowa Nation. Hindi makita.
ito na ang inaabangan natin. Ang best news para sa PSPB Basketball League. Once again, sino ang gusto ng manalo? Ngayong gabi ko, sino naman dyan? Anong team yun? Anong team mo siya? Lagay naman daw. Talagang nakapit si Korea. Talagang pinapa-excite natin natin. But of course, our grand or our news, best in news, will be receiving cash prize as well as gifts from our sponsor. Kung nakikita nyo naman dito, hawak nyo ng mga kasama kung napakagaganda rin. Ayan, free shipping mula sa Maharlika Cargo.
Dalawa lang yan.
Some gifts from Gucci bag from Shanti Luxury. Diba? Diba? May luxury item na. May money flex kapag tayo ay may happening. And while I'm waiting for the final results, ano nangyari? We would like to thank once again our sponsors for this evening for participating with us. And again, nasakot kayo ngayong gabi na ito. McDonald's Qatar, Luxury by Shanti, Qatar Sublimations Forestier, New Brands, Loop or Hoop Up Clothing, Happy Beauty Salon, Pearl Beauty Salon, and of course, para sa mga partners ng PSBU for this event, Iowa Nation, Mr. Christopher Aldupo, our official photographer and senior digital media.
Okay.
And right now, I am about to announce our winner for the best news for PSBU.
Okay, for the best news award goes to
And the winner is from team. The best news is from team.
Sublimation. Sublimation. Okay.
Sean People's Choice Awardee at siya din ang ating best news sa bibig ito.
Naalala ko dati. Naalala ko dati sa ganyan, ano,
Ano ba yung
kasama dyan yung halip-halip Gomez sa amin, di ba naalala ko? Ginawa na yun. Kaya di ba magparo natin? Mr. Gomez kasama doon.
Ano sa tingin mo ang nagpapanalo sa iyo?
Okay, from I4 na po ang Best News.
Kung hindi ko yung isang sagot, alam mo, nagsingin lang na. Actually, may tinanong ko siya.
Panalo ko, 1
Baka yung pagkatanggal ng leather jacket ay yung isang sagot. Pero mas maganda pa doon sa gagawin sa inyo. Again, congratulations mo. Also have a cash prize from courtesy of the Harlika Party. Once again, congratulations, Miss Baby.
Okay. Okay, that concludes it po. Muli po, maraming salamat po. I'll now cut off this broadcast and we will now resume now for the first game of year number 2 PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and teka lang po ha, teka lang. May pa pala eh.
Siyempre kasi ang may pinakamagandang report
Okay.
ay based on this material, uniform weakness and cleanliness 15%, proper
Okay, that concludes po. Maraming salamat po.
uniformity across team 20%,
Thank you very much po. That is our news po.
30%, presentation
That is our news po. And of course, I will be back po mamaya po sa ating first game for tonight is between Ayesha and of course, alam po natin yan, Gianna Sumay. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much.
missing uniform.
Meron pa pala. Alam nila.
Alright, ready na ba ang bawat team na malaman kung sino ang nanalo ng best in uniform? And of course, you will be receiving
Gianna Sumay.
courtesy of
Ayesha, may
our sponsors are Taekwondo, Luxury by Santi, McDonald's, Q Brands, Hotas Automation Sportswear, Pearl Beauty Salon, Happy Human Salon, and Hookup Clothing. And the winner for Best Uniform is the winner of the Best in Uniform is Alfredo! May we request all of the members of our family to please come up front in your uniforms. Alright, we would like to request all the players in their uniforms here up front for some and great women's games night. Galing sa photo team, ang People's Choice Award para sa ating news, Best in News, and Best in Uniform. Palakpakan din natin ang Arrodo!
Yunus, wala ko mga 2:10 tapos.
Please join us here up front for some photos. Please join us here up front for some photos. All the members, all the players.
concludes our festivities right now. I'll now cut this broadcast right now and be back now for the first game for tonight between Ayesha and of course, tayo lang pa. Nakakat ko na po ito. We'll now be back now for the first game for tonight between Ayesha and Jana Scrumay. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa atin lahat. Thank you.